Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm doing an unboxing from a company called Tivisiy. Now, Tivisiy contacted me and offered to send me some products in exchange for my honest review. I do have a discount code, so make sure you stay tuned because from what I see on their website, these are some amazing products. So let me go ahead and open up my package here and see what we've got inside. Inside my package, I have these two boxes of what I ordered. So let's go ahead and unbox them and I can show you what I got. If you'll notice, these are very beautifully packaged. This says, "Hi Park, how are you?" It's so cute. And then you open it up and it's like already ready for a gift box. And then here is the item inside. And there's a little card on the inside, but I will read that to you in just a second. Let me show you what this is. So this is a laser cut nightlight and it's laser cut with wood. And there are a lot of shapes in there. You could get the plain one without any lights in it. I mean, it's just beautiful the way it is. And then you could also go up a step and then you can get one with just a regular white light on the inside. And then you can get the one that I got. It has an LED remote and it is sound activated as well. So let me go ahead and open up the remote and get this started so you can see what it looks like in the dark. So this came in a separate pack. This is the remote control and the USB plug. And here is the remote, and then you just pull this out to get it started. Here's what the butterfly looks like with the lights on. Isn't that gorgeous? I just think that's so beautiful. You can also make it voice activated if you wanted it to blink with the beat of the music. So I think this is beautiful. Now, before I open up my other one, I just wanted to let you know that they included a card and it says, "Who are we?" And it says that High Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we are committed to giving to nonprofit organizations to help make this planet a better place. And it says, "Better planet, better life. Thank you for supporting High Park and supporting our planet." I think that's awesome. I love anything to do with supporting animals. So that is A+ for me. So let's go ahead and open up the next one and see what is inside. Now this one, if anybody knows me, knows that this is totally me. I know you may think it's crazy, but I love Sasquatch. I love Bigfoot. He is awesome. I thought this was beautiful. Look at the details in there. I can't wait to see it lit up. Isn't that just so pretty? Oh my goodness. I love that. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like. The workmanship is just amazing on this. I really love it. And I'm not just saying that because I got this for free, you know, I'm not. And if you would like to go on their website, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below and make sure you use the code Crojo15. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a code for you to get 15% off of your order. So go ahead and check out Tivisiy in the link below and use the code Crojo15. And let's go and take a look at little Bigfoot right here. Boo. So here is our Bigfoot Sasquatch with just the regular white light on, and we can go ahead and change these colors. Isn't that cool? And we could even fade the colors in and out. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. This makes a great night light. These are awesome gifts. They have just about any animal that you could think of that is a night light, and these are just really cool conversation pieces. You can make it jump, do different things, and this is voice activated too. I haven't figured out how to do that yet, but I'm sure it's pretty easy. I hope you guys like it. I sure do. Here he is up close again, and then you can see there's the big one and the smaller Bigfoot in the background there, and the trees and everything. It looks cool without even the lights on, and there's some birds in the background. So I hope you liked the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed looking at the lights that I picked out. And don't forget to go to their website, and it will be linked down below. And I hope you give Tivisiy a try. And don't forget to get your coupon code down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it a lot. Have a great day. Bye.